Hello, welcome back to the first lesson of Cisco Switch Network Implementation class. Now that you know how to install your Cisco packet tracer, let's move on to the lesson 1. The lesson 1 is what Cisco network diagram. We are going to look at how this we are going to design our diagram, the connectivity part in this lab. First of all, we need to look at how OSI model works. So, OSI model in computer networking, this is the basic fundamental you need to understand. When it OSI model, and so be a good networker. So let's read. The OSI model is the reference model for how an application can communicate over a network. OS model the pattern say a model be a kwan application be a communicate edun come our network so for example yemfa Telegram, WhatsApp, sa application na edun come fa network communication. So and a friend said that they use OSI model to develop their system. So we have the 7 structure of the hot, the OSI. We have physical layer. We have the physical layer. It's for what? Media, signal and binary transmissions. Data link is for what? MAC address, and LS what the address on the MAC address on the network card. It cannot be never changed. We have the network part, that's layer 3, is for termination and IP, what the internet protocol. The transport layer is for end-to-end communication and reliability. Session layer is inter-host communication. Those who are into either web or any other partner, when you are using either PHP or Python, you use session management to secure your communication. And the last part, presentation is for data representation and encryption. Encrypt your data, say the bear or be the middleman in your communication. And the last part, what the application network process to what application. After say more website and mobile side, and after say what could do your local machines now web server. That part, that application part, and it take it transform it to become a real world application. Let's move on to setting up packet tracer. Here we will set our entire lab, which means we will put all the necessary requirements together. Yet the normal album a bit say your switch, your routers, cloud. The cloud means here our ISP, either Vodafone or the MTN, and the our ISP address and the cable and many things. And it's our lab. This one is our lab. So we are come to set this lab and make it to work as reality. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Okay, welcome back to this tutorial, amazing tutorial. So you start a new lab. Click on File, go to New or Control N. No. Okay, this is what our empty file. So let's quickly look at how the packet tracer works. Here, top your file no, and we go new file to save, and then we your edit button, your options, play around with it, zoom, how to zoom the entire platform, the tools, extension, and other stuff. So let's quickly jump. Say you be set a real lab. Real lab no in my bena ye here a real lab. First of all, you see a Cisco switch class. the real world switch class and yababen. And first of all, let's come to our switches here. Take anyone. The hand the open choose. So I'll prefer, okay, I'm in fact switch 2950T. Yemfantua. Yes, I'm fat back on some tour. Yemfat back on some tour. Alright. Now, Yanchu Emra Kakra. Yemfat Winson Tia Kakra. Alright. So keep in mind, you are doing the real world thing. So, yeah, enko for ye ISP Cloud 1 enko tour. Yemfa ye laptop na PC. Yemfa PC. Nsanfa ba konsantoa. Yemfa PC ni yemfa ba kontoa. Fa PC ni bia emebia. That's good. That's good. And then here, keep in mind, here connections. It means we have cross cable, straight console. For the switch word to PC now, we use straight cable. From switch to PC, we use straight cable, and from PC to PC, we use cross cable. That is peer to peer. Those who know how to patch network cable, no, you understand. Keep in mind. So here, look at here. You have first one is automatic one, but in reality, they will not give you automatic cable. Keep in mind. We have console. We will use console. We have straight cable. We have cross fiber optic. We will come there in the near future when we reach the advanced side here. We have the phone line, Cosia, Sierra DC, Sierra DT, Octa, IoT custom cable, and USB. So let's quickly take our straight cable in here. Fast Ethernet 012, fast Ethernet 0. Okay, let's take another one. So do it. All right. So use it to configure it. You just try your hands on. You just try your hands on.